Hello everyone. Welcome to the short series on the Border Gateway Protocol or BGP. In this video, we'll understand how the internet works and why BGP exists. BGP is often called the routing protocol of the internet, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why. When you open Google or ChatGPT and type in a search query, your answer is generated thousands of miles away on a remote server. Have you ever wondered how your query and your response actually travel across the internet? This happens because of multiple protocols working together, and one of the most important of them is BGP or Border Gateway Protocol. Before moving forward, let's discuss what a protocol is. As you might already know, a protocol is a set of rules that allows devices to communicate with each other, even if they use different hardware or software. BGP is one such protocol, and it plays a critical role in building the internet as we know it. Let's talk about the internet for a minute. One of the biggest misconceptions people have is that the internet is a single large network. However, that is not true. The internet is actually a collection of thousands of smaller independent networks. These networks can be owned by internet service providers, universities, or cloud providers. Within each of these individual networks, there are thousands of routers that forward traffic between each other. These routers typically use interior gateway protocols like OSPF to exchange routing information. Protocols such as OSPF are built on trust. Because all the routers belong to the same organization, follow the same rules, and trust the routing information they receive. Let's zoom back on the internet for a minute. On the internet, there is no global trust, as each of these networks are owned by separate organizations. Each of these organizations want control over which routes it advertises, how traffic enters its network, exits its network, and which route it should accept. This lack of trust, combined with the large scale of the internet, makes protocols like OSPF unsuitable for the net. This led to the birth of the Border Gateway Protocol. Border Gateway Protocol does not focus on finding the shortest path or even being the fastest protocol for the internet. Instead, it focuses on policy, control, and stability. By policy, we mean that each network can decide its own rules. By control, we mean that a network has full control over how traffic enters and leaves its network. And by stability, we mean that BGP is designed to avoid frequent route changes. Simply put, BGP is not about speed, but it is about policy. Formally, BGP is an interdomain routing protocol that exchanges routing information between autonomous systems. Let's discuss what autonomous systems are in the next video.